gentlemen, we have just landed at Mactan Cebu International Airport. Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Mactan Cebu in Lapu-Lapu City, Philippines. Local time now is at 45 minutes past the hour of 12 in the afternoon. For your information, there is no time difference between Hong Kong and the Philippines. Ground temperature is at 27 degrees Celsius. On behalf of our flight deck crew, Captain Mapile and First Officer Magpayo, together with your cabin crew team, we thank you for flying with Cebu Pacific. Good afternoon.
For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance. For